Hey guys! Today we're diving into the world of dash cams and exploring the top 6 best dash cams you can trust for ultimate road safety and crystal clear recordings. Whether you're commuting daily, going on a road trip, or driving for rideshare services, having a reliable dash cam is crucial. From 4K front cameras to full dual-channel setups, these dash cams not only record every detail, but also offer features like GPS tracking, night vision, parking mode, and fast Wi-Fi downloads. In this video, we'll break down the best options, their key features, and why each one deserves a spot in your car. Let's jump in and see which dash cam fits your needs perfectly. Number 1. Rovar 2.4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rovar 2.4K Dual Dash Cam is designed for those who want high-quality recording both in front and behind their vehicle. The front camera shoots in 4K 3840 by 2160p at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera captures 1080p footage. With a 150-degree ultra-wide front lens and a 140-degree rear lens, you get maximum coverage. Thanks to the Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, it performs brilliantly in low-light conditions, delivering vivid colors and sharp details. The R24K also supports dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing downloads up to 20 megabytes per second directly to your smartphone. GPS functionality records your speed, location, and route on each video. With a custom 24/7 parking mode, motion and collision detection, and a 128GB micro SD card included, this dash cam ensures you never miss a moment, whether driving or parked. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam. Next up, the REDTIGER F7 NP Dash Cam offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording with a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lens. Its Starvis 2 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and WDR/HDR technology make sure footage stays clear and balanced in all lighting conditions. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the REDTIGER app allows ultra-fast video downloads, GPS route tracking, and easy video sharing. Seamless loop recording ensures continuous capture, while G-sensor technology locks important events automatically. The dash cam includes a free memory card, and 24/7 parking protection is available using a hardwire kit. Its supercapacitor design enhances heat resistance and longevity, making it ideal for long drives and hot climates. Number 3. E-YEEGER Dash Cam Front and Rear. The E-YEEGER S60 provides 2.5K front and 1080p rear recording with ultra-wide-angle coverage. Equipped with Starlight night vision and a 6-layer glass lens, it captures crystal-clear videos even in low-light situations. Loop recording ensures uninterrupted footage, while the G-sensor automatically locks crucial clips during sudden collisions. It also features a 24-hour parking monitor, hardwire kit required. The 2-inch IPS screen displays videos clearly, and the 360-degree adjustable suction cup makes installation simple and flexible. Minimalistic and compact, the S60 won't block your view, ensuring safe driving. Plus, E-YEEGER offers a 1-year warranty and professional lifetime technical support. Number 4. SUVCON Dash Cam Front and Rear. For maximum coverage, the SUVCON Triple Dash Cam features 3 channels, a 170-degree front camera, 150-degree cabin camera, and 150-degree waterproof rear camera. Its IPS screen ensures a clear view from any angle without distortion. Built-in G-sensor and parking monitor protect your vehicle by automatically locking emergency recordings during collisions or shakes. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files, and the dash cam comes with a 32GB SD card included. Superior WDR and HDR technology, combined with 4 infrared LED lights, delivers excellent night vision inside and outside the car. Installation is plug and play, making this triple dash cam highly convenient for everyday use. Number 5. Galfy 4K Dash Cam Front. The Galfy 4K Dash Cam captures your drive in stunning 4K UHD with a 160-degree wide-angle lens. Its 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows faster downloads, up to 8 megabytes per second, reducing lag when reviewing footage. The dashcam's screen-free design minimizes distractions, so you can focus on the road. Compact and easy to install, it comes with instructions that even beginners can follow. With 24-hour parking mode, loop recording, G-sensor, and super night vision, you can record in all conditions, including rain, snow, or night. The package includes a 64GB pre-installed memory card and supports cards up to 256 GB for extended recording time. Number 6. Affver 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. Finally, the Affver A4 Dual Dash Cam offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording with wide-angle coverage for both cameras. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS allow fast video downloads and real-time tracking of routes and speed. The 3.59-inch IPS screen ensures clear visibility, while a compact, low-profile design keeps the dashcam unobtrusive. Seamless loop recording with a 3-axis G-sensor protects important clips, and a 24-hour parking mode with a hardwire kit keeps your car monitored even when you're away. The dashcam also includes a 64GB card and a car charger with an extra USB port, plus super night vision with f1.6 aperture for superior clarity. Installation is simple, and Affver provides a 12-month warranty with dedicated technical support. So there you have it, our top 6 dash cams that combine advanced features, reliability, and ease of use. From the dual-channel ROVE R2 4K to the triple-camera SUVCON setup and the compact Affver A4, each of these dash cams offers excellent protection for your car while providing crystal-clear recordings. If you want full coverage with GPS, fast Wi-Fi, and superior night vision, I'd recommend checking out ROVE R2-4K or Affver A4. For budget-friendly options with solid performance, the E-YEEGER S60 or Galfy 4K are great choices. Make sure your dashcam fits your driving style and needs. And don't forget to check if a hardwire kit is required for full parking mode functionality. Which dashcam would you pick for your car? Comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and recommendations. Drive safe and stay protected out there.